Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a couple of additional photos they just posted. So I want to share them with you quickly since you saw everything else. Boom, servery. Look at that window there, reminds me of like an RV. But that's kind of cool, right? Get some extra light coming through. Then you have the primary bedroom, the fireplace with the TV. So you'll never have to get out of bed, guys, in the winter. Hibernate here. Other side, double-sided fireplace is the lounge. You can see right there, there's shelving right there on the court. I guess you can say the end, like an end cap of a grocery store. And then you have more shelving on the other side. And then the doors going outside to your second floor deck or lookout point. Check out this, the ensuite, the tub. I was worried about that. And on the wall, very cool, warming towel rack. Very popular in Russia and now in Ontario, Canada. Check it out. Look at those, his and hers, or hers and hers, or his and his, who knows these days. But look at that tub. I was afraid it's going to look weird. Look at the lights. Looks like you can put them on anywhere you want. You can highlight your head, your private parts. Check out this. Easy to clean around. I kind of like it now that I see it in the pictures. It's a very modern tub. I don't know, maybe I would turn it the other way. But here is the basement. We haven't seen this picture yet. Originally, the blueprint showed a ping pong table. Looks like air hockey, more Canadian, right? And that looks like the world's smallest games table on the right over here. Like, yeah, that's going to get destroyed if you have kids. But I like that there's a TV on the back wall. Air hockey's always cool. And this is what you really want. Spend all your summers, Canadian summers, your patio lanterns.
Our house had the biggest patio. Our house had all the summer shade. We had patio lanterns. I spent half the night making lemonade. Which we drank a lot, cause we were all so shy and nervous. Who was gonna be, who would be the first to dance? Who was gonna be, who would be the first to chance? Under those patio lanterns.